Let's touch on this rapid transition in banking that's occurring in Australia that for the most part is going relatively unnoticed by the majority of people. Daniel, Australia's commercial banks are shutting their branches across this country in droves in this relentless pursuit of a switch to online banking. Do you think there is an explicit agenda here in place to eliminate cash entirely from our economy? Are big banks and big government somehow in cahoots on this?
Well, there's certainly there's been a move in this direction for some time. As you rightly established in your editorial, a part of this is just convenience. So we know a lot of people prefer using digital than using cash, and that's understandable. But there's a lot of challenges and a lot to be concerned about. There's a privacy issue here, which is that the more of our lives that are digital and the more of our lives that take place online, the less control we have over that. There's also the data retention issue. Who has this data and what are the legal frameworks about that? Are they able to share it or sell it to other companies or transact between government? And then there's also, of course, the tax issue. As we all know, the tradie that asks for his or her payment to be in cash is perhaps doing so because there's certain tax advantages associated with that, and that's up to them what they want to do. But of course, governments want to make sure that as many of these transactions are digital and online, so they can track them and extract more tax from an already overtaxed population. So there's lots of moves and pressures in this direction, and I think there will come a potential tipping point where we go too far. Whether we're at that point or not, I don't know, but certainly the privacy angle to this is concerning. And it's also, look, if you've got your own shop, yes, you're free to decide how people will pay you. I think that's a basic principle of private property. But I'm uncomfortable with shops or supermarkets that basically don't allow you to pay by cash. I think that should always be an option for people who don't want to sort of get enmeshed in this ever-increasing digital world of ours.